So, hi everyone, this is Dr. A.L. Chidambaram. I'm an assistant professor in MBA department of SRM IST Ramapur. So, I welcome you to this presentation of digital marketing. So, this presentation is about to explore the basics of digital marketing, next components and its various types of digital marketing, and the most important of digital marketing in the modern environment. So first slide is up to the presentation. What is a digital marketing is about? So in a fast-paced technology-driven world, digital marketing has emerged as a crucial tool for business to effective reach and engage the target audience. So unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing leverages a variety of online platforms and digital channels such as social media, search engines, emails, and websites that mainly to promote products and services. So this approach offers various opportunities for the growth, precise targeting, real-time analytics, and direct customer interactions. So this clearly shows the various importance, components, and different types of digital marketing that avails in this current environment. So this slide is about the concept of what is the digital marketing that encompass all marketing efforts using electronic devices or the internet has become a visual component of modern marketing strategies. So it includes various channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites to engage with the customers. The evolution of digital marketing parallels the growth of internet and technology, making it as essential for business to connect with the target audience online. So, next, the concepts of digital marketing that includes understanding a digital channels that targets and personalizations of customer engagement. So, digital channels like social media, search engine, emails, websites have a unique applications in marketing. So, targeting and personalization focus on using the data that driven from digital to tailor marketing efforts, while the customer journey maps the path for awareness to conversion. So next slide is the components of digital marketing such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and content marketing that expose various things that marketing leverage platforms that engage brand awareness that includes paid advertisements, content marketing, and enterprise. So next up, the type of digital marketings that mainly focus on the three main things, that is email marketing, pay per click marketing, and affiliated marketing. So we have discussed the things that gives a important and unique features of every different types of digital marketing. So starting with the email marketing. So it is very cost effective. Sending emails is relatively inexpensive compared to traditional marketing methods like print advertisements or direct mail. The next one is the importance is to target content of email marketing that personalized based on the subscribers' preference, behaviors, demographics, increase relevance and engagement. Next thing is the email marketing that helps us to measure results. So metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates provides a valuable insights to campaign performance, allowing for personalization and improvement over time. Next, in the next type of digital marketing, that is a pay per click, shortly known as PPC advertising. So it has an importance view of including Google ads and social media advertisement and impact on driving immediate traffic and conversions. So next, the importance of PPC is to immediate visibility that appears on search engine results page, that is other platforms instantly driving traffic to your website and landing pages. Next one is it target options. So ads can be target based on the keywords, locations, demographics, interests, and behaviors that ensures the reach of right audience to the right message to be delivered. So next important is to cost control. It helps us to click an ad which is special to the target audience, making a PPC campaigns that highly cost effective as budgets can be set and adjust based on the performance and goals. Next up, the types of digital marketing, we are going to look up the affiliated marketing. Affiliate marketing. So first thing is the affiliate promotes your product or service on the platforms, reaching audience that might not have been exposed to your brand otherwise. So next is the performance based affiliated where they drive a desired action such as sales or lead, ensuring high return on investment. So next one is the building trust. Through affiliated marketing, we can able to build up a trust that often establish credibility with their audience, which have transferred your brand through positive recommendation and reviews. Next up, the emerging trends of digital marketings that encompass the highlights the importance of video marketing, voice search optimizations, and artificial intelligence in marketing. So, in contrast to video marketing, it increased significant for social storytelling and engagement. So next, voice search optimization requires a content tailored to voice queries and virtual assistants. Next up, the artificial intelligence offers personalized recommendations and chatbots for customer interactions. Next up, the significance of digital marketing. It has various importance in contrast to modern digital worlds. So next up, the digital marketing helps you to reach globally. It allows you to reach a global audience and breaking down geographical barriers. Next up, the importance of digital marketing is it's more cost effective compared to traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing offer a more cost effective ways to promote your business, and it can be easily measurable. So next important is it is easily measurable by adapting digital marketing that provides a detailed analytics that can help you to understand the effectiveness of campaigns in real time. So target advertising. It enables you to target specific demographics and audience based upon the factors like age, location, interest, and behaviors. So it increases engagement through social media, email marketing, other channels like digital marketing forecast direct interaction with the audience and engage customer satisfaction. Next, brand development. It helps to build a brand awareness and loyalty through consistent, compelling content in interactions. So next up, the importance of digital marketing is has 24/7 marketing. So unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing operates 24/7 by reaching customers at their convenience. Next is search engine optimization benefits. It improves your visibility and ranking in search engine results, driving organic traffic to your websites. Next one, adaptability. So digital marketing allows you to connect customers quickly, adjust your strategies based upon the real-time data and market trends. So next and last final one is competitive edge. So competitive edge emphasizing a digital marketing gives you a competitive advantage over a business that relies solely on traditional methods. So next up, the career opportunity in digital marketing. It has various opportunities that has significantly important in current business environment. The digital marketing of business growth in clear benefit includes increased visibilities. So, when you're taking up a career opportunity in digital marketing, our device requires a mix of technical and analytical skills that specialize including search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, and digital analytics. So these are the things that skills that requires to become a good content and digital marketers in the modern world. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.